Okay, now I'm going to show you how I can actually collect data real quick, even from a hard copy. Say for example, I have a table, which you're going to see later, and I'm going to tap into Excel here, and there is this function called data from picture. I tap on it. This is the form that I have. You see it's a big document, but I'm going to just capture this part, and I refuse to type in everything all over again. So all I need to do is I will take a snapshot of the picture, let it process, and then I will adjust what are the data that I want, and to make sure that it's clean. So I'll clean off the part on the right here so that they will not be confused. Once I have the table proper and confirm that these are the data and the words that I want, I simply tap onto done. They'll process it. It takes a while, but it's worth all the effort. Imagine typing everything. So once it's done, they will show you a preview of the data, and you notice that the words comes in very neatly. And I just need to type insert. 53 item needs your review. I'll simply type open anyway. Okay, then all the things will just pop up by itself this way. Okay, so I just need to do a little bit of cleanup, and I'm basically good to go. That's all I have for you. Hope you enjoy.